Mpanme to the stage. Let us give her a warm welcome as she shares her artistry with us.
For inviting me and for giving me a part in this event. Thank you. The song that I'm going to sing is Stand Up. I got eyes on the back of my head, just in case I have to run. I do what I can when I can, what I can for my people. While the clouds roll back and the stars fill the night, that's where I'm gonna stand up, take my people with me. Together
Zeliangrong Alamle. So the first song, I hope you all know this song. The song's called This Called Love. So let's sing it together. Hey, say, you know when you know, so let's face it. You had me and alone, hesitation never helps. How could this be anything, anything else? When all I dream of is your eyes, all I long for is your touch. And darling, something tells me that's enough. You can say that I'm a fool, and I don't know very much, but I think they call this love.
Feeling nervous, aren't you, boy? With your